This is my next video on the topic public corporation merits and demerits. As in my previous video, we have discussed about its meaning, introduction part and the features of public corporation. So today we will be discussing about the merits of public corporation. पब्लिक कॉर्पोरेशन के कौन कौन से फायदे हैं, कौन कौन से बेनिफिट्स हैं, कौन कौन से एडवांटेजेस हैं, वी विल बी रीडिंग दैट. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द पॉइंट नंबर 1, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑटोनॉमी, काम करने की फ्रीडम. पब्लिक कॉर्पोरेशन सेज दैट इट हैज अ प्रॉपर फ्रीडम एंड दे हैव अ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी टू डू द वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ओन मोटिव्स. वो अपने हिसाब से अपना काम अपने तरीके से फुली इंडिपेंडेंट फ्रीडम नेचर से कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव पॉइंट जो उनको काम करने में आसानी मिलती है. सेकेंड पॉइंट इट सेज क्विक डिसीजन मेकिंग. यहाँ पे डिसीजन लेना बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है बिकॉज एज वी आर सीइंग डिपार्टमेंट अंडरटेकिंग देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ रेंटपिज्म, ब्यूरोक्रेटिक कल्चर, दैट इज burden of paperwork. But in this sense, in public corporation, there is very less paperwork, which means the decisions can be taken, the ideas can be generated, and the work can be completed according to their own understanding, and the decisions can be taken very quickly. काम फटाफट हो सकता है. Third point it states service motive, which is a very good factor for the public. So its main motive is not to earn the profit. Its primary motive is to serve the public. Because everything is being discussed in the parliament, it should be there in the interest of the public interest. Public के interest में ही सारा काम करते हैं. That's why they give a positive example of keeping a service model. Point number 4 is efficient staff. In the introduction, we have discussed that these public corporation have their own rules and regulations. इनके खुद ही अपने rules और regulations बनाते हैं. उसी के अकॉर्डिंग इनको जो स्टाफ चाहिए उनको रिक्रूट करते हैं, कंपनीज में लेके आते हैं. इंटरव्यू स्ट्रक्चर सेम होता है इनका एंड दे पे विच मीन्स रेम्यूनरेटेड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ओन कल्चर. जो उनका वहाँ पे कल्चर है, जो उनका वर्क है, जो उनका स्टैंडर्ड है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग इनको रेम्यूनरेशन मिलती है. द एग्जाम्पल इज स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. नेक्स्ट, कमिंग टू द टॉपिक ऑफ डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ और demerits of public corporation. So it has some demerits also as the other side of the coin. Let us point number 1 is autonomy in paper. We have discussed in merits that autonomy is there, but now it says autonomy is just on the paper. It is written on the paper that you can do the work according to their own freedom, spirit and everything. But problem is there is too many political as well as government official interference in the work of public corporation. उनका interference होगा, which means they cannot do the work according to their own freedom because these officials, these political parties will come and interfere in the working of these public corporation. Second point is lack of initiative. आगे बढ़ के काम नहीं कर पाते. Lackness क्यों है? Because all these departments are in the motive of service motive. They are not in the motive of profit motive. First thing. And second thing, these all public corporations do not have to face any challenges of competition in the market because they have been treated that they are in the form of a government scheme. So this, they do not have a like zeal of increasing the profit for the corporation or reduces the losses for the corporation. Rather, they just come, do the work as they want to desire to do, which means no additional efforts will be quoted by the members. कोई भी अलग से कोई efforts put on नहीं करेंगे. That's why they deal into a problem of lack of initiative. Point number 3 is rigid structure, which means if you want to change any of the structure of these public corporation, it is a very time consuming because the first thing, they are originated by the act, central state legislative act. If something need to be amended in the act, it takes a very long process and a time consuming process which will results into the consumption of the time and तब तक तो शायद चीजें और बदल चुकी होंगी. So that's why the structure is very rigid. So it is a demerit point of public corporation. So students, this was the topic on the merits and demerits of public corporation. Do visit my next video on the further topic. Thank you so much.